Step inside a home where everything feels calm. No clutter, no chaos, just clean air and quiet order. The Amish don't chase organization with fancy systems or endless products. They live it. They practice it every single day. And their secret? It's not magic. It's not even hard. It's simple, but it changes everything. Today on Rustic Pantry, we're pulling back the curtain on how the Amish keep their homes spotless, the effortless way. Stay close, because what you hear might just shift the way you see your own space. 1. The quiet secret of Amish homes. You walk inside an Amish house. The first thing that hits you isn't furniture or decoration. It's space, open air, a strange calm that feels heavy and light at the same time. There's no clutter stuffed in corners, no endless piles of things that don't belong. Their secret is simple, yet most people can't follow it. They live with less, a lot less. You won't see shelves bending with useless decor. You won't see 3 coffee machines lined up in a row. They keep what matters. They let go of what doesn't. It looks effortless from the outside, but the truth? It's discipline sharpened over years. And in that discipline, their homes breathe. 2. Less stuff, more peace. The Amish don't call it minimalism. That's our modern word. For them, it's just common sense. Why own 5 coats when 2 will last for years? Why store a drawer of plastic gadgets when one sturdy tool does the job? They don't buy for comfort. They buy for purpose. And if something sits unused, it doesn't sit for long. It's given away, sold at auction, passed to a neighbor who needs it more. The fewer items they keep, the more peace they find. And that's the heart of their secret. Less stuff means less cleaning. Less cleaning means more time. More time means more life. 3. Order in every corner. There's a rule. It's not written, but everyone knows it. A place for everything and everything in its place. If a broom belongs by the door, it's there after use. If a quilt is folded at the chest, it returns there every morning. Nothing drifts. Nothing lingers. This is why Amish homes look neat without effort. Children grow up inside this system. They learn fast. You take, you use, you return. No one wastes minutes hunting for lost tools or searching for scissors buried under paper piles. That order becomes invisible until you compare it with the chaos of modern homes. Then you realize their system works. 4. Cleaning that never feels heavy. Modern people think of cleaning as war. Big cleaning days, hours lost, stress boiling. But Amish? They don't let mess grow into a monster. Small things are handled immediately. A plate washed after eating. A floor swept before dust grows. A cloth wiped before stains set. It looks easy. It feels natural because it's routine, not a special event. Their homes stay spotless without backbreaking effort. The secret isn't stronger soap. It's habit. And when habit runs deep, cleaning never feels heavy. 5. Built to last, not to break. Step into an Amish kitchen. You won't find flimsy plastic bowls that crack in a week. You'll find stoneware, heavy, sturdy. You'll see wooden cabinets, polished but plain. You'll see handmade chairs that last for decades. They choose durable over disposable. Always. That's why their homes don't drown in broken junk. A basket holds sewing for years, not months. A chest keeps blankets for generations. These things don't just reduce clutter. They create respect. When something is strong, handmade, and useful, you care for it. You store it properly. You don't toss it in a corner. This builds natural organization without forcing it. 6. Everyone plays a part. It's not one person carrying the load. The whole family works. Children don't just sit around waiting for toys. They sweep floors. They help in kitchens. They fold laundry. The home is everyone's job, not just the mother's or father's. That's the Amish way. Shared duty, shared pride, and it works. Because when everyone plays a part, the weight feels lighter. No one gets buried. No one feels resentment. And the home stays balanced always. Modern families could learn from this, not by copying every detail, but by spreading responsibility. A spotless home grows out of teamwork, not one exhausted person. 7. The ritual of deep cleaning. Every season, something shifts. Spring, fall before winter. Amish families go deeper. Heavy furniture moved, floors scrubbed, curtains washed, every corner touched by hand. It's not punishment, it's tradition. It resets the home. It resets the mind too. They take stock of what they own. Do they still need it? Can it be fixed? Should it leave? This ritual keeps their houses from choking with forgotten objects. No pile grows taller than a season. No junk survives long. Deep cleaning is their reset button. Simple, old, effective. 8. Beauty in simplicity. Amish homes are not empty, but they are clear. Clean lines, strong wood, a quilt on the bed, hand-stitched with patience. A table solid enough to hold decades of meals. They don't drown beauty with decoration. They let simplicity speak. This makes organization easier. When surfaces are bare, dusting is quick. When rooms aren't crowded, cleaning feels light. But it's not just about speed. It's about peace. A simple space doesn't fight your mind. It calms you. You can breathe. And maybe that's why their homes feel spotless even when there's work undone. Because the air itself feels uncluttered. 9. The rhythm of routines. Their days follow rhythm. Wake early. Beds made. Floors swept. Chores done in order. Tools returned in place. Evening ends with dishes cleared. Next day starts clean. The cycle never breaks. It looks strict from outside, but inside it feels natural. Routine replaces decision. No wasted energy wondering when to clean or how much to do. It flows like breathing. Small steps, repeated daily, build a spotless house. And because it's routine, it feels less like work and more like living. That's the power of rhythm. It turns effort into ease. 10. What we can carry into our world. We may never live like the Amish. Our world is different, faster, louder, messier, but their secrets cross over. Own less. Respect what you keep. Give every object a place. Handle small messes before they grow. Choose strong over cheap. Share duties. Refresh your home with seasonal resets. Build habits until they breathe on their own. That's how a house stays spotless without pressure. It's not about chasing perfection. It's about balance. Their way reminds us that peace is not bought in storage boxes or apps. Peace comes from simplicity. And simplicity, once learned, is effortless. And that's the quiet lesson. Organization doesn't need to feel heavy. It doesn't need gadgets, apps, or endless shopping hauls. The Amish prove it. Less is more. Order is peace, and small daily habits build spotless homes. If you take even a piece of their secret, your own home can feel lighter, simpler, cleaner. Thanks for spending this time with us here at Rustic Pantry. Don't forget to come back for more stories, more secrets, and more timeless wisdom for living simple. Until then, keep your space calm, keep your life clear,